Hey, if your charging case is actually flashing red in the Sony WF-1000XM5, let me show you how you can actually try to fix this. So first of all, I will highly recommend you to put both earbuds inside the charging case and simply recharge this case for like 10 to 20 minutes by using, for example, this wireless charger, or for example, the cable that you have to actually plug right here into the USB-C port. If you do this, I can recommend you to open this case and now locate this back button and just simply click and hold it. So click and hold it and wait for the blue light at the first. There we go. Now we are in the pairing mode. But if you keep holding it a little bit longer, it will also start blinking red. We have to keep holding this for like 10 seconds or 15. And now when it starts blinking, when it stop blinking, it will actually give us the red light one more time and then it will turn green. So close this case, open it, and now tell me if it works. This is the only way where you can try to fix this. Right now, please leave a like under this video and subscribe to my channel.